Hey everyone, welcome to Code with Nishchal. Today is day one of our 100 days DSA challenge, and we are starting with the arrays and hashing module. The problem is contain duplicate. It's a very simple task. We are given an integer array nums, and we need to return true if value appears at least twice. If this array contains any duplicates, we will return true, or else we will return false if every element is distinct. So if you see the very first example in this array, one is repeated twice, so we will return true. And in this particular example, so every element is distinct, so we will return false. In the brute force approach, we will be having two for loop, one to iterate I and one to iterate j. So I is initialized at 0 and j will be initialized next to the element of I. And then we compare value of I with the value of j. If both elements are equal, then we will return true, or else we will increment j till the end of an array. So we will repeat this process until we find the duplicates. If we don't find the duplicate, at the end we will return false. So the time complexity would be O of n square since we are using for inside for loop, and space complexity would be O of 1. So here is the optimal solution using hash set. So a set creates a collection of unique elements. We iterate through the each element of array and then we check whether this element is already there in the set or not. If it is there in the set, then we will return true, or else we will add that element to the set. At the end of the loop, we will return false if every element is distinct. So here the time complexity would be O of n and the space complexity would be O of n in the worst case.